This is question 3 of page 125. The question reads, the difference between two fractions is 1 out of 10. The smaller fraction is 4 out of 7. What is the sum of the two fractions? So what we know is that there are two fractions. One is the greatest fraction and one is a smaller fraction, and the difference is 1 out of 10. Okay, you want to know the sum of these two fractions. So first of all, we need to know what is this fraction that is greater than 4 out of 7. So as we know, the difference is 1 out of 10. To find the greater fraction, we add up these two fractions together. So that is our first step. 4 out of 7 plus 1 out of 10. Once again, we notice that the denominators are different. So we need to make it like fractions. So first step is to always find the common multiple. So 7 and 10. After you do a few multiples of 7 and 10, you will reach the common multiple of 70. The common multiple of 7 and 10 is 70. So I need to multiply here by 10 to get 70. So the numerator must also multiply by 10. For this fraction, I need to multiply by 7 to get 70. So the numerator, I also need to multiply by 7. So next step, 4 out of 7, you will get 40 out of 70. Next one, 1 out of 10, you will get 7 out of 70. So you will add up these two fractions and you will get a total of 47 out of 70. Therefore, the greater fraction here is 47 out of 70. Now that we know the greater fraction and the smaller fraction, we need to add these two fractions up for the sum. Sum means you add. So we have the greater fraction, which is 47 out of 70, plus the smaller fraction, which is 4 out of 7. Now we do not have to recalculate this because remember, 4 out of 7 is the same as 40 out of 70. So we can easily write that down. 47 out of 70, and this 4 out of 7 is the same as 40 out of 70. Now we can proceed to add the two fractions up. You will get 87 out of 70. Now this is an improper fraction and we have to make it into a mixed number. So we must do the division. And you will get the numerator as 17. So it's 1 whole 17 out of 70. So our final answer is 1 whole 17 out of 70. The sum is 1/17 out of 70.